Welcome to Lodge with Peace, your calm corner for refined travel and honest hotel reviews. Today, we're inside the Burj Khalifa to explore the Armani Hotel. Giorgio Armani's signature retreat in the world's tallest tower. Over the next minutes, we'll walk you through first impressions, the impeccably tailored rooms and suites, the dining destinations, and the spa and wellness offerings. Expect close-up details on design, service rituals, and the quiet moments that turn a stay into an experience. Whether you prize quiet sophistication, thoughtful craftsmanship, or a prime downtown location, this tour will show you why Armani stands apart. I'll focus on what matters to travelers: comfort, hospitality, and real value. So you can decide if Armani fits your Dubai plans. Stay tuned for candid footage, filming tips, and honest recommendations based on on-site observations. Let's step inside and discover how tailored design and discreet luxury come together at Armani Hotel Dubai. Armani Hotel Dubai is the designer's first hospitality project. Realized within the world's tallest tower. The property embodies Giorgio Armani's design philosophy. Pared back palettes, flawless proportions, and materials chosen for tactility and longevity. Opened as a private, design-led sanctuary in downtown Dubai, the hotel occupies carefully selected floors of the Burj Khalifa and aims to offer a cohesive, couture-like guest experience. Exterior, or first impression. Arrival at Armani is intentionally restrained. The hotel announces itself through proportion and materiality rather than ostentation. A sheltered porte-cochere that creates a deliberate, quiet threshold between the city's momentum and the hotel's calm interior. Textures matter: honed stone underfoot, satin metal accents, and a low-contrast palette that reads as deliberate and composed on camera. Cinematically, this is where you set the emotional tone for the stay. The camera should linger on small, tactile details. The grain of a wooden door, the weight of hardware, and the way natural light falls on an Armani fabric. These visuals communicate confidence without spectacle. Armani's exterior choreography is a masterclass in hospitality staging. Efficient valet, unobtrusive security, and a gentle transition into an interior that's all about curated calm. Room tour. The rooms at Armani feel like an edited personal suite. Every surface has been considered to support rest and function. Begin with circulation. The entry hall is intentionally broad so luggage and check-in choreography feel discreet. The bed is the visual anchor, oversized, with tailored headboard lines and minimalist bedding that reads as luxury because of scale and textile quality, not branding. Lighting is layered and key. Recessed cove lighting for ambient warmth, bedside reading lights with precise beam control, and window treatments weighted to block city glow for a deep night's rest. Bathrooms are executed as spa-adjacent spaces. Generous showers, separate soaking tubs in select suites, and marble or stone detailing with built-in storage to minimize clutter. Technology is integrated subtly. Room controls for lighting and temperature, discrete audio, and high-speed connectivity that's easy to find but never obtrusive. For suite coverage, show the living area as an extension for entertaining. A deliberate conversational layout, integrated minibar cabinetry, and panoramic glazing that frames the fountain and skyline. Dining. Dining at Armani is curated as an integrated design and culinary program, not merely places to eat, but rooms that continue the hotel's aesthetic through tableware, lighting, and choreography. Each restaurant presents a distinct culinary voice. Italian precision at the signature restaurant. Lighter Mediterranean plates for daytime dining. Intimate lounges for cocktails, small plates, and late-night conversation. Menus prioritize seasonal sourcing and methodical technique, with dishes composed to highlight texture and natural flavor rather than flamboyant embellishment. The sommelier and service teams operate with a quiet authority. Recommendations are concise. Wine pairing notes are crisp. And pacing is tuned to the meal's rhythm rather than the clock. For special occasions, Armani's private dining rooms and chef collaboration evenings offer a heightened level of privacy and theatricality, while preserving the hotel's restrained palate and measured service. Dietary requests, from vegan to halal to severe allergies, are handled with the same systems-driven attention that the hotel applies to room service and housekeeping. So guests rarely need to repeat their needs. Amenities. The hotel's amenities extend Armani's design principles into a full wellness thesis. Spaces are scaled to encourage solitude and transition. And programming is structured to support sleep, recovery, and composure. The spa is conceived as a sequential journey: reception, consultation, treatment suite, relaxation lounge. With each space reducing sensory complexity and guiding the guest toward restoration. Treatments combine classic therapy with signature rituals that emphasize calm breathing, slow temperature changes, and tactile finishes in therapy rooms. The fitness studio is compact but intelligently equipped. Free weights, calibrated cardio machines, and a small studio for instructor-led sessions that prioritize recovery and mobility over spectacle. Public amenity spaces, the pool terrace, changing rooms, and relaxation lounges are staged for daylight rituals and concierge-served refreshments. Small practical touches matter: earthenware water carafes, neatly folded towels, zero-clutter shelving, and intuitive signage. For business travelers, the hotel's meeting and private boardrooms are designed to double as quiet work lounges by day and private dining by night. With AV integrated discreetly, so technology never dominates the room's feel. Service. Service at Armani is defined by anticipatory discretion. From pre-arrival communications to post-checkout follow-up, the hotel builds a single-thread guest experience through a lifestyle manager or dedicated concierge who composes rather than lists options. This role is the fulcrum. They curate dining, plan transport, coordinate in-room preferences, and act as the primary escalation point for any requests. The training emphasis is on tonal consistency. Staff speak precisely and listen actively. Offering solutions in a few confident sentences rather than an array of options. Value proposition. What does staying at Armani cost per night? And why might it be worth it? Typical nightly room range, market representative. Approximately $360 per night at the lower end, off-peak, up to around $550 to $650 plus US per night. During busier periods or for upgraded room categories. Suites and premium categories, often $1,000 plus per night for larger signature suites and during peak travel dates. How to read these numbers? Armani's price positioning reflects a design-driven luxury rather than spectacle. You pay for the curated environment, discreet service, direct access to downtown Dubai's attractions, and the experience of staying inside a globally recognized architectural landmark. Location. The hotel's location is central to its appeal. Direct access to Dubai Mall. Prime views of the Dubai Fountain and immediate proximity to the Burj Khalifa's attractions. For guests who prioritize walkable access to Dubai's major draws, Armani's location is exceptionally hard to beat. Final thoughts or recommendations? Armani Hotel Dubai is a refined statement. A stay for travelers who prefer measured luxury and meaningful detail over theatrical spectacle. If you value design integrity, focused service, and a location that puts Dubai's highlights immediately within reach, Armani is an outstanding, if premium-priced, option. From the heart of the world's tallest tower, the Armani Hotel Dubai stands as a symbol of design, sophistication, and unmatched luxury. Every corner reflects Giorgio Armani's vision of elegance. Every stay promises comfort beyond compare. Thank you for joining us on this journey through one of the world's most exclusive destinations. If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more luxury hotel experiences from around the globe. Until next time, travel with peace and stay inspired.